President, one ball. This time big. But unique ball. In the whole world, only one ball like this. We have to search everywhere.
There's no other.
No other, only this. Why? Because
Üzerinde Recep Tayyip Erdoğan yazıyor.
Good thinking. Good. Show us. Turn it there.
Alabilecek miyim?
Alıyoruz efendim.
it's the official match ball for Qatar World Cup.
Katar Dünya Kupası'nın
Okay.
resmi topu.
Katar'a geleceğim.
So I will come to Qatar.
You have to. You play.
Yes.
There was all announcements though.
Nasıl oynayacağız?
How am I going to play?
Sen oynayacak mısın?
What, are you going to play with me?
We play together. Sen oynarsan ben de oynarım.
Of course, same team.
Ona göre
I'm
hazırlık yiyelim.
Tamim, please.
Temim de oynayacak mı?
Tamim? What about Tamim?
Tamim will bring him as well. He played tennis, but it's okay.